What's going on? So today we got a video from Unpopular, and the title of the video is "Please deliver a long overdue reality check to abusive daughter." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually are talking about here.
Vehicle is supposedly stolen. Let me grab my insurance with my name on it. What the don't you want to see my ID? You don't even know who I am, sir. Motherfucker, you guys are violent. I'm not drunk and I'm not on drugs. Jesus Christ.
On May 1st, 2024, officers were dispatched to a Walmart following a report of a man claiming his daughter stole his truck. When confronted, the daughter stated she was listed on the insurance and had permission to drive it.
Vehicle's reported stolen.
It's not stolen.
Then get on the ground and we'll figure this out.
I'm not getting on the ground.
All right, don't go inside the vehicle
The
then.
vehicle is supposedly stolen. Let me grab my insurance with my name on it.
Okay.
Okay.
Come here, please.
Yeah, let me.
Okay, just.
Don't you want to see that it's
Okay, I don't know who you are right now,
I
okay?
can show you right now, just like a
Okay.
pullover instead
Just
of being
give me a
crazy and
second.
violent. It's not a stolen vehicle.
What's going on?
It's my dad's truck. I'm on the insurance. I drive it all the time. Like, it's fine. Oh my God, what the hell? He has been a little bit older and psycho
All right,
lately,
let me
okay?
ma'am,
I
let me put you in handcuffs right now.
No! What the don't you want to see my ID? You don't even know who I am, sir.
I'm putting you in handcuffs right now.
You don't need it. You haven't even seen my ID.
Please, sir, I got one
Putting
female
the
detained.
wrong person in handcuffs, sir. Can I please get my ID and show you my insurance and registration?
Okay, give me a second, we'll figure it out, okay?
It's not stolen, motherfucker. My dad is getting older and he's being a and I have like proof that I'm able to drive any of his vehicles when mine's in the shop right now and this is the backup and I'm on the
All right,
insurance.
enough.
And it's fine, okay?
Okay.
It's not a stolen vehicle. Jesus Christ, Dad. Mish, ID, registration, like you're gonna want that,
Okay.
right?
Yes, where is that?
In the truck, I'm gonna get it for you. Oh my God, I don't need 10 cops to show you my registration.
Okay. We'll figure out what's going on, but for right now.
Okay, oh my God.
All right. We'll figure it out, but for right
I'm
now, you just
taking
got to
it
cooperate, okay?
His house. That's where I live with him.
Okay, we'll figure that out.
Yeah, you just kind
But
of
you got to give me a sec.
little rough.
Yeah, it came out the blue because you want to cooperate with me.
No. You came running at me when I was getting into my truck, and you're like,
Exactly.
on the floor. I'm like, what the f***? Why?
Because I didn't want you to get in the truck, ma'am.
I get it. But you could have
All right.
done it a little more like a pullover. I really would have appreciated that.
Like you've been cooperative so far.
Yes.
All right.
Go to a cage for now.
Yeah.
I would like. What is the fuck are you guys doing?
I haven't
You're gonna
searched
get
her
picked
yet,
up.
so.
Keep going. Keep going. You're gonna
You
get picked up.
don't even know who I am right now. I have the feeling you're doing this wrong.
Can you be the only additional unit in route?
Seriously, don't you want to see my ow, motherfucker? You guys are violent.
Stop resisting.
No, you're hurting me.
Enough. We'll figure it out.
I've got a up spine and like I'm like on disability and shit. You're hurting
All right,
me
relax, ma'am. We'll figure it out.
because I'm about to take my dad's truck home, which I'm allowed to drive, and I'm on.
Okay, and I will verify that, but
Wendy
enough.
Alvear. My name's Wendy Alvear. I'm on the
why-
Allstate insurance. I'm allowed to drive the car. Obviously, I had to come for groceries. Jesus Christ. He's been losing his memory and shit, so I don't know. It's
Okay,
just-
and we'll figure it out, but you got to cooperate with us.
I am. This is just like a lot.
Okay, do me a favor.
Is it a misunderstanding, or is she taking advantage? I don't know. I'm leaning towards she's taking advantage of maybe her parents or something like that, just because of the title. But she does put up a good, she's talking pretty fast, she's pretty witty. Oh, my name is da 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 da. It's just rolling off the tongue, so light and loose, and so it sounds good, but I don't know if it is good.
Sit over here.
Yeah, you guys can follow me home to the address where
Okay.
we live.
Sit up
It's
against
all
the car.
good.
Sit up against the car for me.
Oh, I can't.
Why not?
Because I have a bad back and I have a giant scar the size of a grapefruit.
Just
and I
stand
can't
right
bend
there
over.
for me, okay?
Okay. Can you tell me what's going on? Don't you want to see me? I'm like my ID and so we can get
Yeah,
this
I'm
over
trying to
with?
get your name right now and figure out what's
Look,
going on.
Don't you want to see the card?
Stay over here
Excuse
for me.
me?
Ma'am, stay right here for me.
I'm right here.
Okay, what's your first name?
And I'm not drunk and I'm not on drugs. Jesus Christ.
What is your first name?
I'm sorry, my father has really been at my neck lately. My first name is Wendy with an I at the end. Same last name as his.
W-E-N-D-I?
Yeah, same last name.
What's your middle initial?
ALVIRS.
What's your last name?
ALVIR, same as the owner.
ALVIR.
Yeah, I'm on the insurance to all of his trucks.
What's your date of birth?
Not his trucks, 3 of his vehicles, 5/12/86.
If you can just search her and figure out what's going on.
I just don't understand how that could, like, wouldn't that fix everything? Can you not so hard, please? Seriously, I have nerve damage. Like, I moved.
So let's see. 86, 96, 2006, 2016. So we're at 30. What? 30. She's at 38 years old and she's on her parents' insurance. Jeez. I wish that was me.
Florida.
Well, if we're going according to her story. 38 years old. Oh wait. Yeah, 38 years old on her parents' insurance.
Stop it!
Let's not do that.
No, it's her. It's not you, sir. I don't want that area being touched.
I'm asking you questions.
Don't touch me in those areas, babe. You don't need to.
Just 10-15, right?
I don't know if
I'm just trying to drive the f***ing truck home where I live with my dad. But oh my God, I'm on the goddamn insurance.
Okay, can you spread your feet for me?
49 Leesburg.
What the?
Can we make 1025 with Sumter County and the victim? She's alleging she's the daughter, but I'm not sure.
No, she doesn't actually. My law, she does not actually grab my vagina. Absolutely not. I know my rights. Take your it off me, please. You're
Yeah, it's 10-4, except she's not cooperative right now.
Well, here's the victim's daughter. He's over in the car. We're talking to him now.
Okay, so he's here?
Yeah, he's here.
49 Leesburg, 22 my last. Apparently the victim's here. So did he call this in, or?
I think it was his friend, the other person in the car, but the victim didn't want to be seen.
Okay. Hey, is he prosecuting, or what's... Yeah? Yeah? Okay. 10-4 on prosecution by the victim, Dad.
Dang, her own pops is gonna prosecute? Yo, that tells a whole lot. Because 9 times out of 10 parents are not gonna prosecute their child. You know what I'm saying? They're not gonna really, push that button on them. But she must be a headache. She must be a real pain in the ass. And she's been like that for years. And he's just probably tired of her shit.
Help! Help! No, it hurts! Ow! Jesus Christ, people, I am injured!
Okay, you kick us.
Ma'am.
I just had a clavicle x-ray, it's broken!
Then quit resisting and just relax.
Leave me alone! Ow!
Alright. You okay?
My balls, G. 10-9 your last.
No, I'm not okay. Let me go so I can show you my paperwork.
No, I'm not sure.
Ow! No, seriously, you have to stop. Let me out of this.
10-4, go ahead.
Please, I'm begging you. You're hurting me.
Okay. Moving around.
I get mine's all the way over there.
Just lay here. Just lay there.
Whose car?
It is hard for me. You're hurt like I was.
12. Can I put her in your car real quick? Or 17? Can I put her in your car real quick?
No, let me show you my so that you know that I'm legit. Ow! You have to be more careful. Okay, seriously, you're hurting me for no reason.
This is 17's car, right?
This car.
There we go.
Listen to me, please. I'm hurt. Stop.
Ma'am.
Oh, I'm
get
begging.
in.
Ow! Ow!
Get in.
Oh my God, you guys are.
I get here. I'm just circling around the parking lot. I see her open the door, start getting in, so I go taser point on her, and she's been like this the entire time.
She was just excited to see you.
Ay, ay, ay.
What's illegal? Okay. Okay.
I swear she probably had something on her the way she was acting.
I didn't get a good search. She was moving around too much.
Yeah, I figured as much.
That belt, I want to get that belt off.
Mm-hmm.
The way I went in for her, took her leg, she's
Yep.
going crazy. So I wouldn't be surprised if I on her.
17 said he's going to take primary on this. And he's talking to the victim and a witness, and the victim's going to take his truck back afterwards.
Sweet.
I wonder if she took this suitcase from there because it's all filled with groceries. Put their bag.
Walmart's closed now, so.
Definitely looks suspect. Yeah, it's all brand new items.
Hey, is this purse hurt?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that going with her?
Yeah, I guess.
There's a lot of cash in the wallet. There's nothing in here. It's...
Yeah, well, victim's there, so he can verify what's his and what isn't his and whatever else.
It's a bunch of there's nothing illegal per se. Just she's got quite a few brand new cell phones in the back.
Everything's bagged as far as the bags go, so.
Well, the suitcase full is pretty odd.
Yeah. But I can see if they weren't bagged, if she was putting them in the store like that, but she's got bags and everything.
She had a crap ton of cash, bro. A crap ton of cash.
Can we do anything? If not, we're going to roll out.
No, I appreciate it. I appreciate the assist. Thank you.
We just happened to be around the corner when Further Park called out.
I was literally just hanging out, just driving through, and I heard it over the radio, and I see her just fixing her hair there with the door open, about to hop back into it. So I literally parked up there and just snuck up behind her, taser point, and she wanted to get back in, and I was like, oh, no, so just yanked her and put her in cuffs.
I'm surprised if you don't find 31 on that one.
I got a feeling she has 31 on her bra or something, but she, even my female officer was like, she's not letting me, you know, and yeah, we're not going to do it here, so.
They'll get it.
Mm-hmm. Do what?
Hi. What?
What do you mean what? I'm just looking.
I don't know. This is just a little much, I think.
Okay.
Thank you.
The woman was charged with theft of vehicles, including pickups, semis, or dump trucks, weapon display or use of a firearm during a crime, and resisting or obstructing without violence.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.